What's going on, everybody? This is Danny from Slow Restoration, and I don't have a whole lot of work progress to report on the S10 today. We'll get to there in a minute. But hopefully you've noticed we've had daily uploads for the past, I don't know, 5 or 6 nights, and we're going to continue. I'm going off of some advice from other YouTubers that said to gain subscribers, you really need to upload more. So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to bring as good content as we can and upload more. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please subscribe now. And if you are subscribed and you know somebody, one of your friends maybe, that might like stuff like this, then please share my videos and have them subscribe also. So we're really trying to up our subscribers count and work towards getting monetized. We're still quite a bit away, but we're going to keep working on it anyway. With that being said, we did get the S10 frame moved back down to this garage. We're going to start assembly on it. As you can see, it's all freshly painted. We did some videos of painting it. Get my light out here. It's actually a really nice color. It's a metallic silver. You should be able to see that. Probably way nicer than the frame really needs to be. But if you're going to do it, why not do it nice? Really, there's nothing right now bolted to this frame. It's completely bare. The only thing we do have mocked up here is one of the current performance LS swap motor mounts. This is their poly mount and the frame mount piece, of course. We have that bolted there. It actually fits extremely nice. It's a nice heavy piece, and it's got the poly bushings in it, so it should be a nice stout motor mount for us. We're going to keep going on this and get some other stuff. Unfortunately, when you do a build like this, if you're just throwing a truck or a car, in this case a truck, together, you can just throw parts on, clean them up a little bit, throw them on there, and go. But this obviously is going to be a really nice truck. We're going to do our best to make it as nice as we can. So all of these parts over here, I did pressure wash them and clean them all up, but they all need to be detailed. Obviously repainted, maybe glass beaded, some of them. Springs, this is the support piece, of course our sway bars, and all that stuff just needs to be detailed. Here's the rear differential. Again, we got to take some of this apart, clean it all up, get it painted nice. We did get some new parts in. We have the rear diff cover here. The one that's on it, it was just, it's usable, but it's pitted up. And again, we're trying to make this as nice as we can. So a new diff cover isn't very expensive, so we just got that. We'll clean that up and paint this also so it doesn't end up looking like that one. We got a flywheel in, and of course the stainless works headers from Current Performance and their motor mount kit, and we're still waiting on the wiring harness for this, but it should come in real soon here. We got the gas tank cleaned up. I think we're going to use the plastic tank in this, the newer plastic tank. Transmission we pressure washed. Again, it needs to be detailed up. We're probably going to spray it like a stainless steel color. Just nice fresh look. Even though it's clean now, it's still kind of stained up. And we did pull the heat shields off the bottom of the cab. Again, we'll clean these up. We're gonna spray the bottom of the cab with a bed liner, and I took these off so we can get the bed liner under these to protect it and add some more sound deadening to it. So these need to be cleaned up and reinstalled. That's the other thing we do. We got this out of the paint garage, and we have the cab now down there in the paint garage. It's actually, tomorrow I'm going to try and get the bed liner coating on the underside and the interior pieces. And once that's done, we'll set it back down and we'll get it cleaned up and start the paint and body work on it. I do want to get the motor and trans bolted together and mocked up in this frame and test fit these headers. Make sure all that fits nice before we go too far. We have Some other parts coming for this. We got a stainless steel brake line kit on its way. What else did we get? Tubular upper A arms are coming for it. We got a new suspension kit, so all the suspension components will be new. I don't really like making videos like this. I kind of like to show a lot more progress, but when you work another job and trying to do daily uploads, remember guys, when you watch your favorite YouTuber and watch his uploads, if he's uploading, he or she is uploading every day or even every other day, close to it, they're putting in work. There's definitely a lot of work that goes into this. You may not realize it, but recording it, filming it is a big part, but it's the very first step. After that, you have to download all your material, sort through it, edit out all the parts that don't make sense. And after all, you might be alone in a garage somewhere talking by yourself to a little camera and trying to seem interesting. So there will be some stuff that just makes no sense. So you just have to edit that out and try and make sense of it and have some consistency of a video. So definitely there's a lot of work, and the YouTubers that are successful, it's not a free ride. They're definitely putting in the work. So the way that you can help out your favorite YouTuber is definitely subscribe to them. Sometimes a lot of people just watch their stuff and never actually subscribe to that person. Yes, it still counts as a view, but a subscriber definitely helps that person out. So if you watch someone consistently, why not subscribe to them? So like I said, guys, this frame is beautiful right now. Everything that goes on it needs to be equally as nice. So we're either going to have to, if it's in good shape, polish it, clean it, wash it, wax it, whatever, before it gets bolted back on this frame, or it's going to have to be blasted and painted. So it's going to be a little bit of a process, and we don't have a whole lot of time to get this done. But anyway, we're going to do the best we can. Again, please subscribe if you're not. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.